Just want to give a quick update as to the impact of COVID-19 in Conwy at the moment. First of all, in terms of the numbers and the prevalence of the virus in our community, we're still at the lowest rate in Wales, at just over the 30 per 100,000 head of population over a 7-day period. That number has risen slightly from a few days ago, where our lowest point was at around 17. As I say today, to just over 30, but we're still at that lowest point in Wales. So I want to say a big thank you to everybody for all the continued efforts and sacrifices that you're making to keep the spread of COVID-19 down to as low a level as possible in our community. Clearly this week, Welsh Government have made some announcements in terms of further restrictions for the hospitality sector. So aside from my own personal reservations and disappointment with these set of announcements, the sector and businesses in Conwy will be having to adhere to this new set of restrictions from 6 o'clock on Friday evening. So this will mean that restaurants, pubs, cafes will be having to close at 6 p.m. and will not be allowed to serve alcohol. And there are also other restrictions in place for indoor entertainment and attractions. All of that information is available on the Welsh Government website for you to view in more detail. In light of this, the Welsh Government have made some further grant money available for this sector. I want to reassure you that our officers are working really hard and will be working really hard over the next few weeks to get that money out as quickly as possible to those businesses who are entitled to it. Also, to update you, over the recent weeks, because of the fire break that took place here in Wales, we administered just under £8 million worth of grants to businesses here in Conwy. So I hope that gives you some assurance that we are working really hard to get this money out to those places that are entitled to it as quickly as possible. We hope this next set of grants, we can get as much out as possible before Christmas, because we know that's a really important time for many businesses in our area. So again, a big thank you for all the continued efforts that everybody's making, and to reassure you, we'll do as much as we can to get this grant money out to your businesses as quickly as possible over the next few weeks. Thank you again.